Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn USDT on the Tron network into Canadian dollars using a simple but secure method. We'll use Defiway to bridge from Tron to Ethereum, then use Uniswap to convert your USDT to USDC, and finally, we'll cash out to Canadian dollar using PayTrie. If you're based in Canada and looking to convert TRC20 USDT, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. Now that we're ready, let's get started by bridging your USDT on Tron over to Ethereum. Go to defiway.com. In the bridge interface, you'll select USDT on Tron as the token you want to send, and then USDT on Ethereum as the token you want to receive. Make sure the network is set to Tron to Ethereum. Once you've selected everything, just input the amount of USDT you want to bridge, click Swap, and confirm the transaction in your TronLink wallet. This process typically takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see the USDT show up in your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network. Now let's head to Uniswap, one of the most popular decentralized exchanges. Here's how you can convert your USDT to USDC. Now, in the swap section, select USDT as the token you're selling from. On the bottom, choose USDC as the token you're swapping to. If USDC doesn't show up, just search for it in the token list. Enter how much USDT you want to swap for USDC. Uniswap will automatically calculate the amount of USDC you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. Once you're happy with the amount, click on Swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Be sure to check the gas fees, this will be an ETH, and make sure everything looks good before confirming. Your transaction will be processed, and once it's confirmed, your USDC will be in your wallet. Next up, we're going to use PayTrie to convert your USDC into Canadian dollar and withdraw it to your Canadian bank account. If you don't have PayTrie yet, you'll need to sign up first. Head over to Sell, select the amount and the stablecoin you want to sell. Make sure that you are selecting the correct stablecoin and network. Click Sell, paste in your wallet address. This is the wallet address that the stablecoins will be coming from. If you are sending the stablecoins from a centralized exchange, you can use your deposit wallet address as the sending address. You will then send the stablecoins from your wallet or exchange wallet to PayTrie's wallet address. Detailed instructions will be provided on the confirmation page, as well as in an email from PayTrie. Important, be sure to account for any withdrawal fees associated with your exchange or network to avoid delays. Ensure that the final amount received by PayTrie matches the amount that was booked. Once PayTrie receives your order, they'll send your CAD payment via Interac e-transfer. This usually takes up to 1 hour or less, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours at most. And that's it! You've successfully converted your USDT to CAD. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.